Hi everyone, I hope you all are well and staying safe. Guys, I'm very excited to be sharing with all of you what I recently got from Supergoop, a brand with probably the largest variety of sunscreens and a brand which is a part of my everyday essentials. So let me show you what I got from them, and I will be also telling about my favorite products and how and when do I apply them. So let's get started. So the first product is this Unseen sunscreen. It's a chemical sunscreen with SPF 40. You choose your SPF according to the sun exposure you have, but you have to wear a sunscreen. It's a very important step which you cannot skip. So this one has a velvety texture and it slightly mattifies your skin and it's translucent. So this is great for oily skin type. So this one can also be used as a makeup primer which will really smooth out your skin and it will help your foundation to glide on better, and it will hold your makeup in place and it will make it last longer. So this one is very lightweight and you do not have to put a lot of this product. A little bit goes a long way. So this is great and it's a great multitasking product. So try this out. Guys, I see so many people struggling to find the right sunscreen which sits well under the makeup or does not make your makeup blotchy or caked up and does not leave a white cast. So this Unseen sunscreen, it's great under your makeup or if you wear it alone. So this is highly recommended. So we now talk about one of my favorite products from Supergoop. It's the Glow Screen. Chemical sunscreen SPF 40, and it is a tinted sunscreen with a beautiful iridescent quality. You can wear it alone or under makeup. It will give your skin that healthy glowing appearance. And this is also a great multitasking product as you can use it as a dewy reflective primer which will give your skin luminosity, and it's a very hydrating formula. So your sun protection is covered, your hydration is covered, and it will also give you that glow. So yes, this has to be my favorite product. So the next product is this Play Everyday Lotion. This is SPF 50. It's a non-greasy, water-resistant formula suitable for all skin tones, and this is very lightweight, very moisturizing. So anybody who does not like the feel of a thicker consistency, this lotion is great for you then. The last and my most favorite product is this Glow Stick. This is SPF 50, and as it goes by the name, it is a glow boosting dry oil sunscreen stick which goes clear on the skin as it's totally invisible, and it will give your skin that healthy appearance along with sun protection covered. This is a very hydrating formula and it's travel friendly, so you can carry it in your bag anywhere. It will give you instant hydration and instant glow. It's very easy to apply and it's very easy to reapply. So yes, this is my favorite product, and the best thing about it is that you can also use it as a highlighter. So simply dab it on the high points of the face and yes, you are glowing. Glow Stick and Glow Screen are my two favorite products and I absolutely love them. They are part of my everyday essentials. The Glow Screen I wear alone or under makeup, and as it has a tint, so I just add a bit of concealer, blush and a few other products and it gives me a complete look. So the Glow Stick is with me all the time and I use this for instant hydration and instant glow, and I use this all over or just on the high points of my face. If I don't want an overall glow, then I use the Unseen sunscreen first and then add this Glow Stick on the high points of my face. With all these products, you get sun protection, you get hydration, you get either a mattifying effect or a glowing effect. Supergoop has a huge variety of products and I'm sure you'd love all of them. They're highly recommended. So try them out and look beautiful and stay protected. Lots of love.